Hello friends, in this lesson we will learn how we can take a group policy backup and how we can export import settings. So here you can see it's a group policy container, and here uh, we have all the policies which we have created and linked with multiple OUs or departments. So here you can see on a group policy objects, when you will click right click, here you can see you are getting a backup option. So I'll click on backup. Here it's asking for a location, like where you want to take a backup. So let's say I want to keep my backup in C type, and here I have created folder GPO backup. Okay. Now here you can see it started taking my backup, and it's a default domain controller policy succeeded. Now it's taking backup of default domain policy. So it will take all the backups which policies we have created. Okay. Now click on OK. Now I am making some amendment. Like suppose that my mistaken this GPO deleted. Now how we can restore? Here you can see manage backup. So which policy we have deleted? We have deleted a trusted root CA installation. So here you can see I am getting a restore option. So click on restore and see. Yes. Okay. Close. So see, this backup is this GPO has been restored from our backup. Now let's validate setting. Okay, see, all settings are already there. Okay. Now let's say I want to create same kind of restrictions for one dedicated department. So how we can do? Option 1, we can simply right click and click on copy. Okay. So click on copy. Now right click, and here you can see I am getting a paste option. Click on paste. Okay. It's asking for a default permission of new GPO. Default permission means which permissions we have defined on this one. Okay. Default permission means default permission. By default permission, when we are creating any new GPO. Preserve the existing permissions means, like suppose that if we have created a dedicated group for one security group, or we are using a WMI filtering, then it will copy existing things. So now I'll go with default permission. So here you can see it's copied, and here you can see this policy has been copied and name copy of trusted root CA. Now okay, I have renamed this policy or tagging it on a ABC process. Okay. Now this is option 1. Now second thing, suppose that you want to migrate all the GPO from this domain controller to another domain controller, then how you will proceed this? So here you can see, like suppose that I want to migrate this one, disable Windows firewall policy to a new domain. So simply click here, you can see a backup option. Okay, I am creating one new folder under GPO backup so that I can easily find out. Okay, okay. Now next step is restore this policy to a new domain controller. So instead of new domain controller, I am trying to restore this policy on existing domain controller so that you can get a idea like how it will work on another domain controller. So here you can see you will click new backup. Okay, now I'll give a name, disable ABC. ABC is process. Okay, click. Now here you can see I am getting a import setting options. So click import setting, and here you can see you are also getting option restore from backup. So let's try to restore it from backup. Okay, now click next. Here you can see the Windows firewall. Okay, click next, finish. Okay, see here, click on import settings. Now next, here is our GPO backup path where we have taken. Click next. Now here you can see I am getting my backup file. So let's restore this Windows firewall policy settings. Next, finish. Okay, now let's validate the settings of this GPO. Here you can see firewall status of, okay, private profile firewall status of, public profile firewall settings of, okay, Windows firewall protect all network connections disable. So you can see I have already exported this firewall settings to this GPO. Okay, thanks friend for watching this video.